won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
It's really dark. You enjoying your life, Paul?
No.
So,
This is like, it's got a massive resistance level on this board. And like, there's no, you can't, it doesn't, I have to hold it. This is just stupid. It takes
what we do is we take through
I'm about an hour into this ball.
an hour in.
Can you see that moving?
Look,
Is it moving?
Keep going.
Keep going, stay hydrated, drink up.
Let's go!
Yeah, I want to go now.
It's got another one to go as well.
Jesus Christ. So this is actually a regular sized coffee. It's just no, it's not. It's just how wide you are now. Wide back up. Hands have grown as well. No, it's a tiny little coffee.
Good morning, it is travel day. Paul's there as well. This is a little bit back to front because I've realised I forgot to record an intro and I've already done some airport recording, so this is going to go first. We are about to board the plane and it's going to be a 10-hour flight and I'm not looking forward to it. Paul said he is.
I think it'll be fine. Virgin Atlantic, I hope they're alright. Can't remember, but I think they are.
So we'll see how it goes and we will update you when we are on the plane, because at the minute we are just boarding. And we are on the plane. Say hello, Paul.
Hello, Paul.
I'm so excited to get this plane out of the way.
Apparently only 9 hours, so that's better. I thought it was 10 and a half.
So, fingers crossed.
Well, I'll tell you one thing though, due to wide backer here, I'm halfway in the aisle, so this is not
He's
good.
literally calling me while I can. I'm not that bad to be fair, but we'll see.
You're not alright. Okay, you're alright. I'm getting hit by a trolley every 3 minutes now, I left for the next 9 hours.
This is why I like the windows. So yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. So, we've been on the plane for an hour and a half now. We've travelled really far.
So far we have gone nowhere.
So basically it was just an issue with the aircraft. We had to get engineers back on. So we're leaving now though. We're leaving now though.
I hope so.
So I just realised that I didn't close this off last night. It's now the next morning and it's been a bit of a nightmare, but we are in one piece and we're fine and everything's okay. Life is good, isn't it, Paul? Just tell yourself life's good. Tell yourself life's good. So yeah, we drove from the airport down to the Quality Inn, which is where we're staying. Just a cheap and cheerful hotel. We don't need anything fancy. And basically all of the hotels on the Daytona Beach oceanfront are being evacuated because of this hurricane, and there's like a storm or something. So we don't actually know where we're staying tonight. We're basically homeless as of now. So hotelless. So we've just had a shower. We're gonna go for breakfast, and then we're just gonna see what our options are. So that was our travel day. We're all in one piece.
We're alright. Bit of stress, but
Yeah.
it is what it is. It's same for everyone.
Yeah, same for everyone. And to be honest, like I'm just like nice and chill. To be honest, like it's beyond our control. There's no point stressing about it.
No.
Like at the end of the day, like we're gonna come up with a solution. So we might as well just not stress about it. Take it just second by second. Figure something out. But first, let's eat. So that is the end of the travel day vlog. This is insane. When we came last year, the water was like a mile down all the way across.
Apparently it's going to get. Apparently this is going to get a lot worse later on today, and all this is going to be flooded. So.
Yeah. So we are in a new hotel. We are now in the Hilton Hotel. Thank you massively to Lynn for just kind of helping keep things a little bit more organised and helping us. Yeah, he's been an absolute diamond. So we emptied a suitcase so we could take a suitcase to Walmart. So I didn't do the trip around Walmart because we needed to be really quick, because they're closing the bridge, because Daytona's on a small little island, and they're closing the bridge at 4 o'clock. So we needed to just get in some food like really quick, before the storm really hits quite bad. So we've got some Gatorade. We always get a George Foreman. We've got 2 packs of 40 waters, some cereal, some orange juice, some more Gatorade, some noodles, some barbecue sauce, some ranch, chicken stock, oatmeal, burgers, cookies, rice, Pop-Tarts. Don't tell Paul about those because it's not come in.
I've seen
60 eggs, some turkey bacon, some normal bacon, a rice cooker.
Just, by the way, this is just for today. So until about this afternoon, and then no, it's hopefully until the
Carrot cake, some crisps, some bananas. We have got some meat as well. So we've got some pork, some turkey, some ham, some ground beef and stuff in there as well. So we are all set, and we also got some cheese. So life is good. We are in a hotel. Things finally start to calm down a little bit. I start feeling a little bit more chill about things. So we're gonna get some food. Paul's gonna do some rice and some beef, and we will catch you next time I record. I don't know why hotels do this, where they like tuck the sheets in about 17 miles underneath. Waiting for the storm to hit.